How to fix password cannot be typed in your lock screen. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So number one step, what you can do is simply restart your computer or your laptop using the power key button. Next, try logging in using your virtual keyboard, or you can also use on-screen keyboard, which will be in this section, and you will also get an option of OS key on screen keyboard. After you have logged in or signed in using your virtual keyboard or your on screen keyboard, what you can do is go to your start menu, then go to settings. After that, search for troubleshoot. Now go to other troubleshooters. After that, scroll down and then find keyboard. Go to typing settings, and sometimes your keyboard might have been turned off. If that is the case, simply turn it on, and if you are using a USB keyboard, fix that if it is problem with the USB keyboard. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.